In this video, I will show you how to set up your wired headset with your PlayStation 4. Before we get into the setup, I will need to mention that you will need to use a headset that has an 3.5mm audio cable because that is the audio jack on your PlayStation 4 controller. But if your headset's cable has something other than the 3.5mm jack, you should consider using a converter or adapter, which we will have linked in the description. Now, let's set up a wired headset. To set up a wired headset, you will need to get the cable of your headset and plug it into the bottom headphone jack of your controller. Now, after you have done that, you can scroll up and select this icon at the far right called Settings, then scroll down and get to Devices right here. To set up your wired device, you go into Audio Devices right here, and at the top, first off, you select the output devices. For output device, you select headphones connected to controller. Now that you have selected the headphones here, a bit later we will cover an option which will allow you to choose whether you want all the audio to go through them. And after you have done that, right here in the volume control, you can adjust the volume of your headphones. Then output to headphones, you can select this. If you choose all audio right here, that means that all the sound on your PS4 will go through your headphones. But if you select chat audio, that means that the game and system audio will go through your TV or speakers, while the party chat audio will go through your headphones. I'll select all audio, and right here you can select if you want to switch output device automatically. I hope this helped. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.